Meaning of glut.
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 Glut. The word glut refers to a situation in which there is an excessive supply of something, leading to a surplus or oversupply. It can be used to describe a market or economy where there is too much of a particular product or service, resulting in downward pressure on prices and reduced profitability for producers. In addition, a glut can also refer to an overabundance of something more general, such as an excess of food or information. Overall, a glut is a state of surplus that can have negative consequences for those involved.